some time since OnePlus had launched their 15R in India, and it's easily one of the most talked about phones right now. Not because it's a flagship, but because it brings flagship level power to a much more affordable price. So, what's inside the phone that makes it so special? The OnePlus 15R is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, the same powerful chipset you find in many premium phones. Paired it with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.1 storage, with the addition of a big and smooth display. A 6.83-inch OLED panel with a 165 Hz of refresh rate. That's mean everyday scrolling, gaming and even video playback feels super fluid. One of the strongest point of the 15R is battery life. It's packing a 7400 mAh battery, one of the largest you will find on a phone in this price segment. It supports 80-watt fast charging, so you can power up quickly. That kind of battery usually means all day use, and many users will easily stretch it into a second day with some moderate usage. On the camera side, the OnePlus 15R has a 50 megapixel main sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 32 megapixel selfie shooter. The camera setup is not pushing the megapixel count like some other competitors, but it's solid for everyday shots, social media use, and clear daylight photos. Yes, it's not as strong in low light or zoom as flagship models, but for most people daily needs it's more than capable. OnePlus also introduced a plus key, a customizable button replacing the old alert slider, adding a new way to launch shortcut or action. In India, the OnePlus 15R starts around 48,000 for the 12 to 56 GB variant, and higher storage options available too. That's a seriously value for money because you're getting nearly flagship performance, a huge battery, and a smooth 165 Hz display, all at a mid-range price. So, would you consider the OnePlus 15R? If you want flagship level performance for gaming and multitasking without spending flagship money, this phone is a very good choice. But if you care more about camera zoom quality, wireless charging, or ultra refined night photography, you might still prefer a higher end flagship. The OnePlus 15R does not have any flagship feature, but it strikes a great balance between power, battery life, display smoothness, and price, making it one of the most compatible and compelling phone in this segment right now.